what's up, y'all? It is day 122 now. I only took one setup today. It was this, so it is weird and choppy. Good thing I did. I lost more than I wanted to, but it wasn't too bad of a losing day. You feel me? So, as you guys know, we took a payout. Well, I took the payout yesterday, like I said at the end of that video. And pretty much, as you know, like when you take a payout, at least with Profit, when you take a payout, it takes that money out of what you worked for. So now, so now you have half of left, because that's how Top Shot work. 5 winning days, you get only half of what you earned and stuff. So this trade, I closed early. So let's see if I spot a stop loss. But I closed early, for sure. Not like what I was seeing. So I closed early, or like right around here. Alright, so pretty much what I seen, nothing. I don't know. That's weird. It's market section, but pretty much I didn't see anything really cool. Now Nas had this 13-minute break. It had crazy rejection towards the upside, and it looked like it was about to like follow a trend, because obviously, you know, you want 13, 50 up top, 200 up top, so they rejected upside, and boom. Now next candle printed, rejection candles, cool, rejection to upside. Next candle printed again, rejection to upside. Now this next candle, I don't know why my camera's tweaking, but this candle right here, this was 9:45, and there was 9:45 news. So I told myself, let me go in today and wait to catch a setup after 9:45. I was eager to get into this. I see it was trying to follow a trend, so I got in. So that's on me today. Pulling the trigger too early. And yeah, this 9:45 candle, it immediately printed above the 50. Now rejecting the downside. Next candle print rejects the downside, and then you can see what it's doing now. So that's pretty much how that trade day went. Originally, I did get in at the break of the candle. I got in with 3 contracts. I was saying that my drawdown was a little too high, because I wasn't able to calculate it because everything was happening so fast. So that is one thing. Setups will leave you. So I went in super light. I went in with 3 contracts. I was like, 3 contracts. I eyeballed it pretty much. I eyeballed my risk, and that was not good. Because with 3 contracts, I was in $300 drawdown. And I was just right here. So imagine what this would have been. I was like, no, sir. So I got out, calculated my risk, got back in when it was over here. Because I was confident the rejection wick. So I was like, I'm confident in the setup, and it didn't go in my favor. So nothing I can do about that. So yeah, and then I got out early because I probably got out a little earlier. But anyways, I got out early. I didn't let it hit my full TP, so it wasn't a $200 loss. So yeah. So now looking at this, in total, we took damn near a $500 loss today. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up in my calendar. Loss. Yeah, we took a loss today. So I'm gonna mark this up in my calendar. We took a $4.93 and 20 cent loss today. So yeah, that's how we're doing. We're still up for the month, so good. As you know, we have 400 now, so we have to be really mindful of what we're doing. Probably, if anything, we're gonna go for like $200 only wins until I could grow it to like 1K. So I'm like comfortable, because if we go below 0, it counts bomb. So we gotta be mindful of Top Steps rules. You know, you gotta follow the rules of Prop Firm until you could fund your own live account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I might do a home workout. I'm not even gonna lie to you. leg day. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. And I was thinking, when this payout does hit, I'm thinking the only thing I'll buy are challenges. Now I'm still debating, because I still have no money in my investment portfolio, no money in all my savings. It's just me not being. It's me pretty much not being disciplined. Like, I blew so many accounts that it affected the money I had left over to where I got nothing left, you feel me? But, we're past that, we grew past that, we're changing for the better. But, yeah, I'm thinking of buying Top Step Challenges. And, as you guys know, I'm on this 5-figure journey. I don't know why my camera's tweaking if that's happening. At least you guys can hear me. But, as you guys know, I'm on my 5-figure journey, and pretty much if I have $200, if I win $200 for 30 straight days, because you need 31 days to take 100% of an account, I imagine I do that on 5 accounts, I could hit $50K easy. So that's what I'm thinking. I think I'm just gonna buy 4 challenges. We gonna run this up. we gonna run this up for sure. So that's what I'm thinking. Now what will I do with the 50K? Let's probably not think of that right now, because you have a long way to go for sure. It's always good to manifest some stuff, but I was thinking like low key. Fuck all that, bruh. I dead might just yeah, I'm at a point where I'm gonna buy a car, get the insurance, all that good stuff. Buy a car, get the insurance, all that good stuff. I'm going to put some money in my investment portfolio. Probably put some money on one savings account and just and then put all the rest into my trading live account. Meaning, I'll probably put 10K in my portfolio. So now I have 4K left. I'll go ahead, have 10K for the car. It probably won't even be all of that. It'll probably be, okay, so I'll put 10K for the portfolio, put 10K aside for my car. And it won't be all that. It might be like 6K to max. So I still have like 4K left over. And just to be safe, I'll probably have like 1K for me to just splurge, and then everything else goes to my trading account. Whatever money's left over, I'll divide that evenly in my savings account, and that's it. Cause bro, yeah, like the bigger my trading account, the better, bro. Like imagine cause my goal for the year was to have like a 30K trading account. Like one win, being realistic, at one win I could probably risk 1,000. Like, that is tough, bro. That is tough. That is like, bro, that's crazy. Like, one win is 1,000. Let's say I have a good month. I make at least 30 days in a month. I make at least 20,000 in a month. Bro, I could take a withdrawal for like 5K and just keep it rolling. Like, that 5K is for me now. I made 5K in a month. Now imagine I have a winning month. Bro, obviously sometimes 1K might be bigger. Boom, I might have like a 10K month. Might have 2K for myself, because I don't need too much, because the goal is to grow that account and then look for stuff, and then, like, one win should be able to cover all my expenses. And all my expenses right now, I have none until I have a car, of course. So that'll probably be like 1K. And I'm growing. So now next year, God willing, when I'm looking for my own place now, average win. I grew my account from 30K, and now potentially we are like 50K. Highly obtainable, in my opinion. Now we're looking at like 2K days, 250. But let's focus on today. Yeah, I lost today. We're gonna show up tomorrow. Doesn't matter. We got one more day in the week. Regardless, it was a great week. We got a payout. Can't wait for tomorrow to end off the week strong. And let's do it.